right, we just got the indoor-outdoor smart solar battery powered camera. So check it out, just came in, and we are going to unbox this bad boy. Let's see what's in here. It feels heavy. Feels really heavy. Okay, here we go. We've got some cords. This looks like a USB to regular Android type cord. Look over here, we've got some instructions. So I think that's this here. And this has a regular like Android, and that's the plate that it's going to go on, I do believe. All right, let's set that there. All right, here's the camera. Check it out. All right, so we take this off of here, pull it off. Looks like it's got a connector on the bottom, on there. Over here, this opens up, and there's where you have your USB and your micro SD card. So that's important. Let's set that down. This looks like the various holders. You get two of them, apparently. They've given you two. All right. That kind of makes sense. All right, so we'll save that. And I think this would just screw into the wall, and then you'd put the camera on it. I think it's that simple, right? And they give you two sets of anchors. So I think what it is that you could move it. Like you could put this on one wall. See how that tightens? Look, see, this makes it loose. And then when you tighten that, it locks it out. So you can put this on one wall, just like that. And then once it's on there, you can, point it towards wherever you want by loosening this. And then the camera will move around a little bit. I don't know, I think that this might be the bottom of it. So let's say if I put it like on the roof like that. And I do believe to get the apps, we've got to scan this, and then we can hook up the app. But I do believe we need to charge it first, so that's what we're probably going to do first. And to charge it, we do have this USB to USB Android type charging thing. All right, so anyway, this is the solar panel here. So the reason you have two of these is because you've got to connect the solar panel to one, and then you connect once you've connected this to the solar panel, so this is going to have to go on the wall, and you have to face it towards the sun, right? And then this will plug into the camera, okay, on the bottom here, and you have to put a micro SD card in there. All right, so that's everything that comes in the box, and now we just got to hook it up and try it out. So I do believe we may have to read this and figure out exactly how to use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.